Hey everyone, CNC Keith here. I am happy to announce the long-anticipated release of the Centroid Wireless MPG. This unit is a game-changing tool that allows operator flexibility and freedom to work with the machine tool in ways not possible before. Much more than just a wireless MPG, the new Centroid Wireless CNC Control Pendant allows the operator to perform a variety of common CNC setup tasks faster and better than ever before. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from Acorn power user Sky Solbach and see what he has to say.
Okay, my other favorite thing here is this MPG wireless controller. So this thing is pretty incredible. If I wipe the dust off there, you can see it shows me my exact position, my XYZ coordinates in real time on this digital display. And as I said, it's wireless, so I always have this thing with me in the CNC room. So this is basically like having my computer with me at all times. I can walk around the room, I can jog the machine, I can change my spindle speed, I can change my feed rate, and I can do that all with the touch of a couple buttons and this wheel here. And it's incredible. This thing has made all the difference in the world, and it's kind of changed my whole world.
Tell us about some of the things you use the wireless MPG for.
So one of the greatest things, I used to have to run back and forth from the computer room to the CNC room to set my work coordinate system, to set my zeros. And so one of the coolest things about this is I can take this into the CNC room with me. I can jog the machine exactly where I want it. I can hit the zero button and I can zero all my axes right from there, right from the touch of a button with this. And then just jogging the machine, I can jog it in slow or fast or medium speed. I can change my spindle rate. If on a big surfboard like this, we're running a pretty fast feed rate, but at times I want to be able to slow it down through the corners. I can easily just put it on a feed rate. I can wind it down and I can slow the machine almost to a crawl if I want to, and then quickly speed it back up again. So I pretty much have full control of the machine with this thing in my hands, which is just incredible.
Cool. Can you give us a little demo and move the x-axis and show us the different rates and how it works?
Yeah, so basically with this knob here, I can select my x-axis. I can put it in the very fastest rate here, and if I go clockwise, that's positive. Counterclockwise is the negative direction, so we'll go positive, and then I can come back negative again. Then if I put that in times 10, I'm going to go a bit slower, back the other way, and then I can go in a really slow to really fine-tune the machine, so it's just barely moving at like 1,000th per every click. So that's pretty incredible.